So guys, in today's tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you all how you can create this amazing stunning birthday flyer you can see right now on your screen. I'm going to be taking you guys through the design process. All you need to do is for you to watch the video to the end so that you can understand the step-by-step process behind this masterpiece. So without further ado, let's get started. Guys, this is my workspace. I would like you to click on this icon, go to image size. So guys, this is the dimension we're going to be using for this birthday flyer. Make sure your width is 1080 and your height is 1350. Just so you know, I used two backgrounds to create this particular design, and I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to use the two backgrounds. Now let's import the first background. So guys, this is the first background. Click on your good icon. Now go to relative size, stretch it, make sure it covers your workspace. Okay, beautiful. Okay, this is nice. If you've done that, the next thing I want you to do is for you to save this background. Save it the way it is. And for us to achieve that, click on this icon. Now save as what? Project. Remember to change the format to what? PNG. Change the dimension to what? Ultra. Now the reason why we altered the setting is because we want to retain the quality of the background. We don't want the quality of the background to drop. So click on save to gallery. Okay, if you have done that, I want you to go to this application that is called PixelLab. I believe you all have this application. Now we are going to be using this application to merge the second background with this first background. That is what we are going to be doing. We're going to use this application to merge the second background with this one. Now this was the background we saved in PixelLab. Now let me import the second background. So guys, this is the second background, and this is what I want you guys to do. Stretch it, make sure it covers the other one, so place it on top of it. Yes. Now go to blend. Now change the blend mode to what? To overlay. This is the blend mode we are going to be using in order for us to blend this second background with the other one. So the goal is for us to do what? To blend both of them together. If you have done that, click on eraser. Go to erase, increase the size of the brush, reduce the size of the hardness. So go ahead and erase this part. Yes, we've successfully erased this part. Let me show you the part I'm talking about. This part, so that there will not be a sharp edge. That was why I had to erase that part out. So click on your good icon. Beautiful. If you have done that, save this background to your gallery. We have successfully saved it to our gallery. Now we are going to take this background to PixelLab. So I'm going to take it to PixelLab right now. So guys, I'm back to PixelLab. Click on this icon, delete this. Now let's import that background. So this is the background, guys. Click on your good icon. Now go to image size, increase it. Please, if you know that you are new here, do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to share this video so that others can also watch this tutorial video. If you've done that, thank you so much. So let's fire down. Okay, so increase it a little. Okay, now click on this, lock it. Now the next thing we need to do is for us to import the pictures of the celebrant. Okay, so this is the picture. Click on crop. Let's crop this part out. Yes, just crop it out. Just so you know, I found this birthday flyer on Facebook and I decided to replicate it. I want to say a big shout out to the original designer. I mean the person that designed this masterpiece. So stretch it, Yes, stretch it. Don't worry, just stretch it. So place it here. Okay, copy it, delete the one behind. I believe we all know the reason why I had to duplicate it. The reason why I had to duplicate it is so that I can retain the quality of the image. Whenever you stretch an image in PixelLab, the quality tends to drop. So the only way you can retain the quality is by duplicating the image. So place it here, click on this, lock the image, and let's import the next image. So this is the second image. Crop this part out. In case you don't know how to edit pictures professionally, such that when you are done editing the picture is going to look beautiful, check in the description of this video. I have a video on photo editing, how to edit a picture in Lightroom. Do well to watch that video, it will help you a whole lot. So increase this, go back to crop, flip it to the other side. Nice. Okay, so place this one here. Let's reduce it a little. Okay, like I would always tell the members of our community, one of the things that makes you a good graphic designer is the ability to replicate other people's design. If you find it difficult to replicate other people's design, it means that you have a lot to learn as a graphic designer. Each time you replicate people's design, it broadens your horizon such that you have too many concepts and ideas in your mind due to the fact that you've replicated so many designs before now. So I would encourage you to replicate people's design. It will really help you a lot. It will really help you a whole lot. Okay, so if you've done that, so place it here, copy this, delete the one behind, then place this one here. Okay, this is good, this is good. So take it up a little. Okay, so click on this, lock this one. Now we need to cover these sharp edges you can see right now. We need to cover them. So how do we cover them? I'm going to teach you the easiest way to do that. Click on draw, increase the pen size, increase the smoothness, increase the blur radius, then click on your screen. Hope you can see what I've done. Then click on the good icon, go to color, enable it, give it a white color. Beautiful. So stretch it, so place it here, copy it again, place it there again, copy it again, place it here, copy it again, place it here, copy it again, place it here, copy, place it here, copy for the last time. This time around reduce this other one, then place it here, copy again. Okay, copy for the last time, then place it here. Beautiful. Click on this icon. Now let's lock all the shadows so that it won't move. Beautiful. Now let's import the next image. So this is the last image. Click on your good icon, bring it down, increase it a little. Okay, this is good. Increase it again, place it here, bring it down. Okay, copy it, delete the one behind, then place it here. It's a simple design. Like I would always tell the members of our community, before you recreate anybody's design, try to study that design. By doing so, it will help you understand the mechanics or the nitty-gritty behind the design. Don't be in a haste to recreate anybody's design without understanding how that design was created in the first place. So I took my time to understand how the creator created this design before I jumped into this particular design you are seeing right now. So place it there. You can also connect with me on Facebook and on Instagram. You will find the link in the description below. All you need to do is just click on the link and you take it to my Instagram and to my Facebook. Let's build this community together. We need each other. So place it here. Beautiful. Click on this, then lock this. We're almost done. Let's write the name of the celebrant. Go to your A icon, click on edit. So his name is what? Emmanuel Muna. Click on OK. So bring it down. Now go to font. We'll be using a peculiar font here, and the name of that font is called Evil Empire. Yes. Now go to color. This is the color we'll be using. Click on your good icon. So take it up, place it here. Now go to curve. Let's curve the text. So click on curve. Let's curve it. Okay, that's good. Bring it down a little. Okay, let's see. Okay, now go to size. Let's reduce the size of the text. Let's reduce it a little. That's not all. Go to rotate. Let's rotate the text. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Rotate it, then bring it down. Rotate it again. Yes, let's see. Okay, this is not bad. Click on it again. Go back to curve. Let's see if you can curve it a little. Yes, this is perfect. This is perfect. Now let's quickly write the happy birthday right up. Go to text, go to edit. Happy birthday. Sorry about that. Okay, so place it here. Go to color. We are using this color. Now go to font. This is the font that we're going to be making use of. Montserrat Bold. Yes. Go to size. Reduce the size. Okay, now go to spacing. Let's space it. So you can see what I'm doing. Oh, beautiful. Now go to alignment. Make sure you use center alignment. We're almost done with the design. Please, if you know you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you always be notified whenever I drop a new video. So we are going to be writing the date of his birthday. So click on edit. So the date is what? 11th January 2026. Okay, so bring it down, place it here. Now go to color. This is the color we'll be using. Now go to font. We'll be using that same font, Evil Empire. Yes. Go to alignment. This is the alignment you'll be using, a center alignment. So take it up, place it here. Go to size. Let's reduce the size a little. Okay, and go to position. Move it, then bring it down a little. Okay, this is good. Now go to your text again. Go to edit. We want to write happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, click on OK. Okay, now go to color. We'll be using this same color. Now go to font. We'll be using Metropolis Regular. Now go to size. Reduce the size. Yes. So place it here. Okay. Look at what we are about to do. Go to curve. Curve it. Hope you can see what I've done. Now go to spacing. Okay, reduce it a little. So space it a little. Okay, this is okay. So bring it down a little. So click on it, click on copy, bring it down. Now go to rotate. So rotate it, let's see. So place it here. Okay. So guys, hope you can see what we are doing. Okay. This is not bad. So guys, we are not done with the design. You know, like I would always tell my people, it's not possible for you to recreate a design such that it will look like the original one. It's not possible. So we are trying to ensure that the design looks like the one the original designer created. So we're almost close, even though it doesn't look like it, but we are close to it. Now let's write the birthday wishes. So go to text. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with the birthday wishes. The next thing we need to do is for us to add those lens flare you saw on the pictures. So click on this. Remember to save as project and also save as image. So guys, this is the lens flare. Now go to blend, change it to what? To screen. Beautiful. So take it up, place it here. Now go to opacity. Let's reduce the opacity so that it won't be obvious. So place it here. Click on this, click on copy, then place it here. Okay, click on your good icon. So guys, we are done with this design. If you wish to edit it, you can go ahead and do the editing in PixelLab. Now for those of you that would like to gain access to the design resources, all you need to do is for you to watch the video to the end, because in the course of you watching the video, some numbers are going to pop up, and those numbers are the password. So make sure you watch the video to the end so that you can capture the numbers one after the other. Then at the end, combine all the numbers. Click on the link in the description that will take you to where you find the design resources. Make sure you input those numbers there and you definitely gain access to it. Thank you so much for watching. Do well to watch the next video that will appear on your screen. I love you all. It's Vixen Tech, your favorite designer.